Solar panels might seem like a good green solution for your home, but local experts say they could just be a money pit, affecting around 8% of homeowners in Colorado Springs.
Fox 21's Carolyn Felling joins us live from our newsroom after speaking with local realtors about why sellers are losing thousands of dollars. Carolyn.
Yeah, Rob, Rachel, while it may seem like a good idea, one realtor tells me his client recently lost more than $60,000 after moving. He says they no longer get the benefits of the panels and are still footing the bill.
Solar in Colorado just doesn't make sense. It's not the technology that's the problem. It's just a little predatory to sell it the way that they are.
Our state is making the push for renewable energy to save money. But when it comes to your home, some of these options may actually cost you.
The national statistic that says it adds about 5% of value to your home, but we just don't see that in our area at all. And I think really it's due to our utility costs are pretty low anyway.
If you decide to add solar onto your home and move shortly after, local realtors say you are still responsible for making the payments unless you can convince the new owner to take the responsibility.
Ultimately what happens is they need to get paid off with your proceeds whenever you sell your house. And if you have panels that are still leased, it's actually a negative whenever you go to sell your property because nobody wants to take on those payments because everybody's so monthly payment conscious right now.
Charles Beaton with Beaton Brothers Property Experts says it's only a good idea if you plan to stay in your home for a long time.
Behind us, I mean, those are probably $20,000 to $30,000 worth of solar, and that'll take 20 to 30 years to break even.
He says unless you pay cash, it's actually a lien on your house.
Let's say that somebody's only owned the home for 3 or 4 years. They have $50,000 worth of equity in the home. You have your closing costs, but now you have to pay this off, or you have to convince another buyer to do a solar loan transfer, which is another huge issue that we run into all the time.
And if you do buy a house with solar, whether or not you take on the payment, realtors say the cost can compound fast.
Whenever you need to get a roof replacement, it costs thousands of dollars to get those things pulled off, stored, get the roof replaced, and then get them put back on by the same company or another company. So that gets expensive.
We'll take a look at what these realtors say the difference is in utility costs when you do have solar tonight at 10. Rob, Rachel, back to you in the studio.
All right, Carolyn, thank you. Well, still ahead here on Fox 21 News at 9, a free ride home